Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer and I shot this image for a couple years ago, and this is my subject today, and I have the other image like this. I made it on Adobe Photoshop, use a filter called Find Edges. So I'm gonna make some new image from these two. Well, try to make a watercolor. Let's get started. Move this, I'm gonna paint it on this layer. I'm gonna move this one in between these two layers, and I'm gonna change the blend mode to go down to darken. Then I'm going to tone this one down to 50% round. Then I see the base image of this picture toned down about 30% or so. Now I'm going to paint it on this layer. Well, I'm going to start with her skin tone first. Now I'm going to pick that light healthy skin tone from here, about this color. Okay, now use the watercolor brush, watercolor wash flat first, then size under 30, 40. Okay, to get the highlight side first, go this. I'm gonna put the highlight on her skin, like a hand, arms and stuff. Can you see this? Well, tone this one down more, maybe easier for you guys to check it out. And I'm gonna erase, take this layer, I'm gonna erase these skin tones out of her skins. Well, that's fine, okay. Continue to paint it on her skin tone, on her face. I'm gonna go down a little bit dark and then make it a little bit bigger to tone the shadow area. This side a little bit dark, so I'm gonna put on this more darker here. Then I'm gonna blend into the light side. Let's see, turn this one down. Well, same thing, eraser. Oops, change the layer. Okay. Eraser tool to erase it. Then take brush, go down to water. Then maybe a little bit small size, under 50, 60. Then add water on this side to blend to the light side. As you can see, the gradation of the color, that's nice, isn't it? Okay, go down. Then again, I'm gonna take eraser here. Okay, maybe I should take this now. Then blend again with the water. That's too much flow, so this is fine. This too kind of dark. Well, okay, now arms, pink, a little bit dark to this side. Then add water to blend into the light side. Okay, now let's see my models from Southern Cross in Okinawa. That's the one of the best model agency. And okay, her hairstyle. I see the key light on her head here, so I'm gonna put some by basic watercolor key lights. See the little bit yellowish. I'm gonna blend later. Then I can see this little bit bluer. Same, not key light, main light here. So I'm gonna add some more, paint on this side. I'm gonna blend later again. Okay, now I'm gonna paint on hair, color is more darker. I'm gonna turn this one down, see. Okay, I'm going to try this first, and then give it more, change the brush to the basic watercolor. Now I go little small to make darker hair on this layer. Okay. I don't know how much it's gonna show up on this image, but I'm gonna draw anyways. Well, try it on everything. Now you're studying. Okay, now I'm gonna go lips. And also more warm tone, reddish color on her face. Then I'm gonna go a little pinkish. Change the brush to watercolor round detail to add some here. Okay, now I go with the costume, clothes. I see the outlines on this layer drawing, so I only warm gray on her. Well, I'm gonna add another layer to this clothes. Go the light side to dark side. Put the light nice warm gray to use the watercolor wash light again. Nice highlight. So I'll go with this nice highlight. I'm going to blend to light side, and also that goes to dark side also. So I'm gonna put the color on in between, middle tone. So I can draw, fade it in to the light side and also dark side. Here too, dark to light. Now I'm gonna tone just down. I'm gonna put a little bit darker on this layer. And now dry the layer first. Okay, now blend to right side. More water, no color. No. I'm going to tone this one base image down. Then I'm going to add some water here. Too much water maybe. Now I'm gonna paint on background. So far so good. And I'm gonna put some of this object here, background. I have some green on it and old candle stand, which is silver. Okay, this is costume. Then I'm gonna add another layer for background. Now I'm gonna just add some greens, dark greens, just touch. Just an accent. And a little flower. So you'll see this. That's nice. I think I like this. Yeah, what do you think? Now, this is dress, shoes, this is background, okay. Then again, blend in. I'm gonna reveal some rusty look here, shabby look. Okay, now I'm gonna duplicate layer. Then turn this one off, 100% off, to just keep it now. And I'm gonna make this one 100. Then create empty mask, invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal this layer. Just reveal this. Now brush, painting. To scratchy bristle, okay, then go bigger and reveal, okay, now real softly, just hide from her face and like a nose on this, lips lines out. But other than that, that's fine to be just leave here. So you know what that is. But you don't need that much. So which means I'm gonna take a reveal this out first. Then maybe reveal the lines out. Okay. Now I'm gonna create empty mask, then just invert. Now I go show this reveal on same brush. See that this pencil image, like this shoulder. See some hair, but not face. On the outside, and maybe a pencil line on this clothes, this object line, that's about it for this. On this is the opacity going down, up, yes. Now I'm going to go back to this. This is opacity, and this one is the, okay, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate to support me. See you next time, guys. Bye now. Ciao.